Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. In yesterday's video we fire rolled some of this bracket fungus, but I only used that nice soft brown interior. I was wondering if some of this hard black outer part would crush up and fire roll also. I have a lot of people asking me about, where can you get these Revere, these copper bottom stainless Revere Ware pots. And of course you can get them at the thrift store, and people think that they're so rare that you can't find them anymore, but just about every time I go into a thrift store there is some kind of Revere Ware there, and even at when you go to yard sales and stuff. So I took a few little shots of some of the finds that I ran into last week, so I want to show that to you. People have asked me for years, where in the world do you get a thermos like this? And once again, it's at the thrift stores. But I like that it's red, so we'll be switching over to that. All right, when we cut away for you to watch those videos, I'll take a piece of this really hard part and see if I can crush it up, turn it into powder. I just wanted to show you that you can still find these at the Goodwill stores. This is another piece of Revere Ware. It's a 3-quart pot. You could tell by that worn spot in the center that that's bulged out, but it wouldn't matter for a hobo stove. I'm not going to buy it. It's $3. Don't need another stainless hobo stove. And then I can't tell you how many people have asked me over the years about my ashes bottle. This is the exact same size, model, and everything, other than this is red. And this is 99 cents. So, look what I just found here. Another 3-quart Revere Ware pot. Revere Ware, 3-quart.
Yeah.
No lid though. I'd like to have this 1-quart pot, but there's no lid on it. We'll keep looking. That crushed up really nicely. Let's try it out. All right. Going to use an entire cotton ball again. I'm going to have a lot left over too. I think I'll go ahead and put that in the tinder bundle. That'll probably help it out. Roll it up as tight as you can get it. And this is that piece of oak that we used for a top board yesterday. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. I see smoke. I believe it is weaker though. That nice brown inner softer material ignites a lot better than that crusty hard black stuff on the outside. Okay, that's what I wanted to try out.
I'm gonna try to ignite a bigger part of this fire roll, fold it over, try to make it ignite the ember bigger.
All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.